and read.
Watch out, Marie. Can we help you, Uncle Bob?
Yes, thanks. Sam and Ben, feed the turkeys.
Look! Cows!
Lucy, feed the chickens, please.
Okay.
Marie, feed the goats, please.
Sure. But I love cows.
Where's Marie?
She's running to the cows.
Marie!
Sorry I'm late.
That's okay, Marie. Please help me collect the eggs, kids.
This is fun. Look at the goats. Are they running? Yes, they are. Watch out, Marie. They're running after me. Look at Einstein. Is he playing with the goats? Yes, he is. And the eggs are safe. I'm very sorry.
Don't worry about it.
Come on, everyone. Breakfast is ready. Good. I'm hungry. Yum. These eggs are good. The milk is too. Everything is delicious on the farm. Atomic and Einstein like breakfast too.